going to talk about a little bit on Satoshi, what Satoshi means. When you look at the Bitcoin marketplaces, Coinbase or Bittrex, you do see some values after decimal place. So it's like 100 million decimal. So there are for 8 decimal place after the zero. So what those are means and how should I understand those? Satoshi is 100 million Satoshi is equal to 1 Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin means it's a different type of a money, digital currency, meaning. So when you own a Bitcoin, it means you have 100 million Satoshi. When you have 0.1 Satoshi, it was 0.1 Bitcoin, you will have 10 million Satoshi. So if you have just 1 Satoshi means 0. And then 7 zeros and then 1 Bitcoin. So there are some, in my previous day, when you look at the prices, there are some coins that they have very low values. So it means while you are getting a coin, Bitcoin is $19,000 of today, you can get this coin almost 100 million less than less Satoshi than a coin. So you can buy either a Bitcoin for $18,000 or buy a red coin for $13. It's like in stock market. You have a high values, low values. So let's go back and then go to changes. So how do you calculate? If I have $1, what's $1 means? So $1 means 5,310 Satoshi. Oh, what it means? When you go here and you do see a value, let's say, what is 373 Satoshi means? You can go and calculate as what is 382 Satoshi means 0.07, which is 7.2 cents. So how do I know? How I can get to know much detail? So in order to know such a thing, what you need to do, you need to go and click on the digital currency and then look at on the right side. You do see some values. You will see it will be populated in a second or so. While it's populating, it's there's some today a little bit slow, but you do see it's about 7 cents. You see, and then you can see maximum, low values, high values. You can have the volume. You can see the last amount that and then the people, how they are asking, how much they are selling, how much asking value they are asking, they are selling, and then these guys I want to buy, and these are the amounts. So as you do see, buying people always intending to give less, selling people always intending to sell for more. So that's why the beauty of stock market. And you can see the market story that currently in place. If any person purchase, and so by the time we were looking, it was 382 Satoshi. Now it's 389. So what is 389 means? You can go and type 389, and you do see 7.1 cent becomes 7.3 cents. It's a penny stock, like a penny stock, yes. And you can also say, okay, if I have $100, how much Satoshi is it? It is 530,000 Satoshi. So if I have 530 Satoshi, if I want to buy a coin which is 10 cents, which means I can buy 50,000 of that coin. So I'm gonna go and check. Okay, right here. You see, it's right there. So, okay. So I'm gonna go and finish this video. Thank you very much for listening to the one video.